Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to MURPH Media. Today I got a fun, fantastic video for you. It's a little unboxing. So, I got this from Massdrop. It is the Magic Force Retro, what is that? 108 key typewriter keycap set. Alright, I saw these and you really can't find these for like a really good price. I guess just because they're not getting, mass produced. So, yeah, I went ahead and found these on Massdrop for really cheap. I think I ended up spending like maybe, I can't even remember. I'll bling it somewhere on here. But they do look absolutely amazing. Yes, quite. So yeah, I'm going to install these on my... what is this? Cross CM Storm. Yeah, the CM Storm Rapid. Really great little keyboard, but I'm gonna go ahead and install it on that. And yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get cracking on that. Here we go. So I'm sitting here typing on it. They seem a little more wobbly. It is a little different. The ridges around it are a little taller, and they just kind of feel a little different. But you know what? They do feel a little taller, but doable. Let's. All right. There's the circle. The circle again. Oop. All right. Okay. So the space, the enter, the shift. They feel pretty good. We're gonna see how these work out, I don't know what I feel about them yet. I don't feel like they're better. I mean, they obviously look better to me. But we'll see if that wobbliness, we can fix something on that. But also, I'm gonna see how long they last. So, but as far as like typing in general, I mean, pretty solid. Nothing too crazy. There's a little bit of a learning curve with the higher ridges on the side. They just feel a lot less gradual than on a normal keycap, but I don't know, they feel pretty good. Well, there you have it, guys. Installed, ready to go. Like you said, just a little quick typing test, and I mean, it feels all right. As mentioned earlier in the video, you really can't find typewriter style keycaps for a decent price without breaking the bank. But Massdrop has got the hookup. All right, so see if it's still on there. If so, go ahead and buy in. If anything, these just look super cool. And yeah, you know what? I'm happy. I'm happy with the buy. So, anywho, like the video if you like it. Dislike it if you disliked it. I couldn't care less either way. But you guys, have a great day.